Hello and welcome everyone to LeonYT, where we explore the world through taste buds. This is your go-to channel for culinary adventures, where we deep dive into the flavors, traditions, and stories behind the food. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just starting your gastronomic journey, there's something here for you. It's a warm welcome to all our new viewers and a hearty hello to our returning friends. Today, we journey through the diverse culinary landscape of India, one state at a time. Starting our journey from the north, we have the aromatic biryanis from Uttar Pradesh. The biryani. This layered rice dish, brimming with succulent pieces of meat and a medley of spices, is a culinary masterpiece that originated in the royal kitchens of the Mughals. Uttar Pradesh, especially the city of Lucknow, is renowned for its Awadhi biryani, a fragrant variety of biryani, which is slow cooked in a sealed pot to infuse the rice with the flavors of the meat and spices. Moving further north, we arrive at the beautiful state of Jammu and Kashmir, known for its stunning landscapes and equally enchanting cuisine. One of the stars of Kashmiri cuisine is the Rogan Josh. This is a hearty meat curry, typically made with tender pieces of lamb, cooked in a rich and aromatic gravy. The dish gets its signature red color from the Kashmiri red chilies, which give it a wonderful heat balanced perfectly with the cooling yogurt added to the gravy. Next, we travel to the vibrant state of Punjab, the land of 5 rivers and hearty meals. Punjab is famous for its makki di roti paired with sarson da saag. Makki di roti is a flatbread made from cornmeal, which has a unique, slightly sweet flavor. It's the perfect accompaniment to sarson da saag, a dish made from mustard greens, slow cooked until they're tender and flavorful. This is a winter staple in Punjabi households, often topped with a generous dollop of white butter and served with a side of pickles and yogurt. Each of these dishes tells a story of the people who created them, their traditions, their history, and their love for food. They represent the rich tapestry of flavors that is North Indian cuisine, a cuisine that is as diverse and vibrant as the people who call this region home. And that's just the beginning. The North Indian kitchen has a lot more to offer. Moving east, we encounter the sweet universe of Bengal. The eastern region of India is a gastronomic adventure that wraps you in a warm, flavorful embrace. From the bustling streets of Kolkata to the serene hills of Sikkim, every corner holds a culinary surprise that will delight your senses. Let's jump right in with the iconic Roshogolla of West Bengal. A syrupy sweet delight, Roshogolla is a spongy round confection made from cottage cheese and soaked in a sugary syrup. Its sweet melt-in-your-mouth texture has been winning hearts for generations. It's not just a dessert, it's a sentiment, a celebration of the sweet life in Bengal. Next up, we journey to the mountainous terrains of Sikkim to taste the hearty thukpa. This Tibetan origin noodle soup is a staple in Sikkim households, especially during the chilly winters. A bowl of thukpa is a comforting medley of vegetables, meat, and long soft noodles submerged in a steaming hot flavorful broth. It's the kind of dish that warms your soul and leaves you feeling content. And then we explore the northeastern state of Arunachal Pradesh, where the bamboo shoot fry is a local favorite. This dish is a testament to the resourcefulness and creativity of the local tribes. Tender bamboo shoots are stir-fried with local spices and sometimes meat, resulting in a dish that's subtly flavored yet incredibly satisfying. It's a taste of the wild, untouched beauty of Arunachal Pradesh. But that's not all. The eastern region is also known for its pitas, a variety of rice cakes, and momo, the beloved dumplings that have become a street food sensation all over India. There's also the gurni chaat, a spicy pea curry served with crunchy bits, and the fiery but jolokia chutney of Assam, made from one of the spiciest chilies in the world. These dishes are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of flavors waiting to be explored in the eastern part of India. So, whether you have a sweet tooth or a craving for something spicy, whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, East Indian cuisine has something for everyone. Sweet or spicy, East Indian cuisine has something for every palate. As we venture west, the smell of spices and the taste of the sea await us. The western region of India, known for its diverse climates and landscapes, is also a treasure trove of culinary delights. The states of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Rajasthan, each with their unique food culture, form the gastronomic heart of this region. Let's begin with Gujarat, a state known for its sweet and sour flavors. The most iconic dish from this region has to be the dokla. This fluffy and tangy snack made from fermented rice and chickpeas tempered with mustard seeds and garnished with fresh coriander is a delight to the senses. It's not only a favorite among Gujaratis, but a much-loved snack across the country. Next, we move to Maharashtra, the land of the Marathas, where the humble vada pav reigns supreme. This Indian burger, if you will, is a spicy potato fritter or vada, stuffed into a soft bread roll. The pav, served with a fiery red chutney and a fried green chili on the side. Vada pav is a treat that tickles your taste buds and leaves you craving for more. Finally, we arrive in Rajasthan, the land of kings and majestic forts. Here, the cuisine is as robust and royal as its history. The lal mas, a fiery red mutton curry, stands out in the Rajasthani cuisine. Slow cooked in a gravy of yogurt and hot spices like red chilies, the lal mas is a testament to the state's love for bold and hearty flavors. Each of these dishes, dokla from Gujarat, vada pav from Maharashtra, and lal mas from Rajasthan, tell a story. They reflect the history, the culture, and the spirit of the people who have created and enjoyed them for centuries. And that's the vibrant and diverse West Indian plate for you. Be it the sweet tanginess of dokla, the spicy comfort of vada pav, or the bold flavors of lal mas, the western region of India offers a culinary journey like no other. Heading south, we dive into a world of flavorsome curries and crispy dosas. South India, a region celebrated for its vibrant culture and distinctive traditions, is a treasure trove of culinary delights. The cuisine here is as diverse as its people, with each state offering its unique speciality. Let's embark on a gastronomic journey through the southern states of India, beginning in Tamil Nadu, home to the beloved dosa. This crispy crepe-like dish made of fermented rice and lentil batter is a breakfast staple, enjoyed with a variety of chutneys and sambar, a flavorful lentil soup. Dosa can be simple and plain or stuffed with a potato filling, creating the popular masala dosa. But the versatility of this delicacy does not end there. With variations like the ghee roast dosa or the cheese dosa, it's a dish that keeps reinventing itself, much like the state it originates from. Next, we arrive in Telangana, famous for its Hyderabadi biryani. This dish is a beautiful fusion of Mughlai and Telugu cuisines, a perfect blend of aromatic basmati rice and tenderly cooked meat, infused with exotic spices and herbs. The slow cooking process gives the biryani its unique flavor, making it a favorite among food connoisseurs. Lastly, we sail to the coastal state of Kerala, where the aroma of seafood curry wafts through the air. Cooked in a rich gravy of coconut milk and an array of spices, the curry is a testament to Kerala's love affair with seafood. The fresh catch of the day, whether it be fish, prawns or mussels, simmered in this flavorful sauce, is a taste of heaven for any seafood lover. South Indian cuisine is renowned for its balanced use of spices, grains and local produce. It's a symphony of flavors where every dish is a melody and every bite a note. From fiery curries to cooling coconut, the South Indian cuisine is a food lover's paradise. What an incredible culinary journey it has been! We started up north, where we savored the hearty flavors of Punjab's butter chicken and Kashmir's Rogan Josh. And then we moved east to the land of fish and rice, where we discovered Assam's tangy tamarind fish and Bengal's sweet roshogolla. Our taste buds then took us west to the royal kitchens of Rajasthan, where we indulged in lal mas and dal bati churma. We also enjoyed the vibrant street food of Maharashtra, from spicy vada pav to sweet puran poli. Finally, we ventured down south, where we relished the tangy sambar of Tamil Nadu, the spicy biryani of Hyderabad, and the aromatic seafood curries of Kerala. And who could forget the sweet, creamy payasam that rounded off our meal perfectly? Each dish we've explored is a testament to the diversity and richness of Indian cuisine. Every region, every state has its unique flavors and cooking methods, making India a true food paradise. It's not just about the food, it's about the people, the culture, and the traditions that make these dishes so special. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey. Don't forget to subscribe to LeonYT for more tasty travels. Until next time, keep exploring and keep